we are going to make curry chickpeas with potato. I have 1 pound of chickpeas and 5 cups of water soaked overnight. We're making seasoning for the curry chickpeas that we're cooking. Blended up, we have onion here and 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put it in this pressure cooker. Add 5 cups of water, warm water. 3 medium-sized potatoes, we're gonna add it. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. So we're going to pressure cook it on high for 25 minutes. Alright, so the chickpeas have been in the pressure cooker for 25 minutes. We're gonna add 3 teaspoons of oil and the seasoning and the onions and garlic. We're gonna add the chili powder and the roasted cumin seeds. This is a teaspoon of saffron powder and a teaspoon of curry powder, mandras curry, and with some water. Now we're gonna add the chickpeas. So this has been cooking for like 10 minutes. So this is done. It's really good.